Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make peanut porridge, Jamaican peanut porridge, another classic in Jamaica. First, what you want to do, you're going to turn your stove on. Then you're going to add bay leaf to your pot. I'm going to add my bay leaf and my cinnamon stick. Guys, remember, if you don't have bay leaf, you can always use your cinnamon stick, okay? Allow that to come to a boil. And then we're going to add all the contents in, all that goodness in this water. All right guys, so this is what we will be using to make our peanut porridge. We have 2 cups of unsalted peanuts, 2 cups of coconut milk, half cup of oats, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla, 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1.5 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of salt, half cup of water, and we will blend that, okay? Remember guys, to trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him and he will direct your path. Remember to give your heart to Christ. All right guys, let's check on our pot. Oh wow, it's bubbling. It's there, it's bubbling. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add our blended peanut to our pot. This is what you should see. You see how it is thick? All right, so we're going to blend it. While we're pouring, we're going to mix well. We're just going to keep mixing while we're pouring, okay? Mix and pour. And we're just gonna keep on mixing. We're gonna mix and we're gonna get that thickness. You must get that thickness. Remember to turn your stove down on medium heat so it can cook well. All right guys, I'm gonna check my pot. So guys, this is what you should be seeing. It should be bubbling like that. Allow that to cook for 30 minutes. All right guys, let's check on our porridge after about 35 minutes. All right guys, this is what it looks like. Yes guys, that's what you're gonna see. All right guys, this is what we have. This is our peanut porridge right here. Guys, I'm going to show you how I sweeten my porridge, what I use to sweeten my porridge. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Alright, guys, so I took it from the pot and I'm going to show you what I use to sweeten it. So remember that we already add salt, vanilla, all those things to it. So I'm going to use some condensed milk. This is 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. You can use less, you can use more. In Jamaica, they would actually put brown sugar in it. And some people even put butter in their porridge. But for my porridge, I will not be doing so. I'm gonna stir that. You're gonna sweeten your porridge like that. And guys, I'm gonna add just a little bit more vanilla, in my porridge. If you want to add some more salt to your porridge, you can also do so. Remember, I add salt to my porridge and I don't want all that salt in my porridge. Alright guys, just sweeten your porridge according to your liking. Alright guys, so this is my end product right here. This is my peanut porridge. Remember to give your heart to Christ, like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.